Hello, and welcome to this NIM tutorial on Self-Service Password Reset, Part 6. After creating the mappings that will manage records in the internal password reset table, you'll need to add those mappings to a job. This video will show you how to add them to a new job, but you are free to add the mappings to an existing job. Let's begin. Navigate to Output, Jobs. Click the Add button and provide a name for the job. Then push Add. On the following screen, click the Add button 3 times to add 3 mappings. For each mapping, set the type drop-down to CRUD and set the name drop-down to the Create, Update, and Delete mappings that you created in Step 5. Click Save. With this job configured, we can now add the job to a scheduled task. I'll see you again in Part 7.